One story, Toll Brothers with owned solar. Hi, it's Leanne and Jeff, Realty One Group, with another episode of Inspirada TV.
Yes, we are out at 2547 Ballatore. Single story, all Toll Brothers, and we are directly across from Aventura Park right there. But in this blue sky, it doesn't even look real, does it?
I know, it's incredible.
So, and there's a pool, there's a fenced-in dog park, soccer fields.
Playground.
Yeah.
I think that one has the skate park.
No, that would be Potenza, but we live just down the street. So this is where we take the grandies when they come over.
They call it Granny and Peepaw's
Granny and
Park.
Peepaw's. That's what they do say. We want to go to Granny and Peepaw's Park.
Wow,
Ooh.
this is incredible.
Yes.
Yes.
And this one's furnished, so
Look
this is
at
going to be
the
nice.
flooring.
Yeah,
The
really
flooring
good
is
looking.
Gorgeous. Yes.
Really nice.
I love these entryways with the long hallway. That's one of my favorite things.
It kind of, you know, just a table, place to put your keys. It's so tasteful. So it looks, so 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors. Again, Toll Brothers. So you have two by 6 wall construction.
Beautiful bedrooms.
Yep.
Yeah.
Plantation shutters.
Plantation shutters.
Really good sized bedrooms too.
Yeah.
So I think this has a Jack and Jill bath that goes through with dual sinks. Dueling sinks. Okay. Yeah, so this is really
This
nice.
is
So
a
each
little
bedroom.
bit shorter.
It is.
Isn't that amazing?
Yes.
For me.
Oh my gosh, and even the towel rack is hung
Oh,
low.
that's so cute.
It's so cute.
I love it.
All right. Okay. And I like how this hall, it's a tucked hallway.
Yeah.
That's really
Yeah,
cool.
so the bedrooms aren't directly off the entryway. Got a little hall. Love it. Half bath. Don't be such a half bath.
So we're only here for our entertainment. We don't care if you like this or not. But yeah, I like this den.
Is the den. You could add doors on here and make this an office.
Yep.
You could make it even a formal dining area.
Could be a playroom.
Could be a playroom
For
like
Bodie?
our house. Bodie.
Well, because I'm thinking. Shout out to Bodie.
Oh my gosh, this is fantastic. I really love this.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, this is beautiful. This must be country.
Let's take a look at the numbers of what has sold in gated mill in Inspirada Henderson. This unit is currently priced at $738,800. There are 2 active right now, 4 under contract, and 15 closed in the last 6 months. Those sales ran from $565,000 to $895,000, with a median of $748,000. They average 28 days on the market. And if you want to know what that means for you or need more info, reach out to us.
Yep, country it is.
So nice pantry.
See if I can find some lighting. Not that it's really.
It is.
nice and
It's
bright
nice
in
and
here.
bright.
Yeah.
And what's nice is right behind us is also all single story. So there are you're not surrounded by a 2-story looking down into your backyard.
Yeah. Super nice.
Boy, this is really,
This is really gorgeous. I love this. Yes.
it feels so big in here.
Yeah.
Like the perfect amount of big. So I'm guessing,
Come and look, there's
this is a
more.
butler's pantry.
Oh, there's so much more.
Oh.
Yeah, the laundry room is here. Love.
I
Look at
really
this.
love this.
Yeah.
Especially if you've got mixers and all those kind of things, all of it could be back here. Keep your kitchen nice and...
Look, a place to hang your keys.
No, it's going on the foyer table that I told you about.
You'll lose it if you put them on that table. This is the garage.
So, good sized laundry room. Cabinets,
Yeah.
built-in sink.
Washer, refrigerator, and washer, dryer, and refrigerator all stay.
So like Leanne said out there, it's solar owned. Tankless water heater, water
got a
softener.
Charger for your car.
Yes. So imagine the sun is charging your car. That's bonkers if you think about it.
Yes, that's bonkers.
Like when Cheech and Chong broke down on the road, if they would have had solar panels, they wouldn't have had to hitchhike. Anyhow,
Or one of those times that you broke down, ran out of gas. Slash.
this
Yeah.
really is such a
It's
nice
terrific.
kitchen.
And you know what? This floor plan is $22.84. It seems like this is like a 2,800 square foot house. I mean, it's.
I did.
really-
I was thinking this was a 25 and change.
No, it feels so big and open.
Mhm.
And I do love the shutters. Everything is just very tasteful.
And the 10-foot ceilings, I think that is adding a lot to how big.
Absolutely,
Yeah. You want to step out to the backyard?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, a triple slider.
Love it. Open it out and open it all the way up for some barbecue.
So covered patio.
This is really
This is a really nice.
terrific backyard. I'm like, are these putting greens? It's just synthetic grass. But I guess you could just put a hole in it. Have a putting green. Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a great backyard.
Yeah. And again, we are just steps from Aventura Park. And of course, Inspirada has 7 parks throughout. 8 if you want to count Overlook Park. If you get your ice cream from Sorry Not Sorry, and that's what Leanne's saying is on the agenda today. Bless you.
Sorry, sun's making me sneeze.
God, this feels good out here.
Yeah,
I love this house.
that's yeah. This is a terrific house. Love.
All right, we'll head over to the primary. You know, and what else I liked is because we didn't come in with a door to the garage. It's kind of tucked away.
Yeah, that's nice.
And please like and subscribe to our channel. Leanne and I are out here every week. We're trying to deliver an episode a day of these to you. And
Gosh,
yeah,
This is like a model in here.
yes, this is really
Well done.
well done. So I don't know if they have this staged or if they just left some of this behind, but
But it's really nice.
it is. So this water closet.
Yeah, a storage.
That's nice.
Yeah, terrific.
And then the closet. Yeah, good size closet. What's the
Definitely.
price on this?
The price on this is $738,000.
Yeah, and I like the vertical tile in here
Yeah,
with a bench seat.
yeah, great shower. And I kind of like just the shower because I always have to vacuum our tub.
That's right. And dual sinks, nice vanity.
Yeah, and again, the flooring is just spectacular.
Yeah, I really like this tile.
Yeah, it looks terrific. Nice house.
As always, Jeff and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group, homesininspirada.com, where we have every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. Leanne and I have been licensed here for over 20 years now. So, and we live here. So if you'd like to see this home, just reach out to us. We are always available. Our website, we will tag the square footage so you can see all of the homes that we have filmed. And there are hundreds of tours up there on our channel. Thanks.